A UK lawyer warns that European Union citizens will be deported for minor violations under Priti Patel's post-Brexit immigration crackdown. Fears that permanent UK residents will be parted from their children and families, or may be returned to countries they hardly know. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, then please do, and press the bell icon to the latest updates on UK visas and immigration.
The UK
points-based
immigration system.
ending free movement.
But change is coming. Change is coming.
Priti Patel's post-Brexit immigration crackdown, not favourable for European Union citizens. A leading lawyer in the United Kingdom has warned that European Union citizens will be deported for minor violations under Priti Patel's post-Brexit immigration crackdown, in spite of having authorization to reside in the United Kingdom. From January 2021, rules and regulations that permit foreign lawbreakers to be banished only if they are thought to be a threat to the United Kingdom will be reinforced to target determined pickpockets and shoplifters. Importantly, the United Kingdom Home Secretary, Priti Patel, publicised the modification would apply to the 3 million plus European Union citizens in the UK, in the route of being awarded settled status, which apparently promises their right to stay in the UK. An immigration barrister cautioned the crackdown was a major change from the present law that obligates a proportionality valuation and an existing threat from the person facing deportation. Furthermore, the United Kingdom Home Office was previously targeting European Union citizens and deporting more of them by twisting and sometimes breaking European Union law. This law will comprise even European Union citizens born in the UK or brought here as small children if they have not attained British citizenship, for example, because their parents are unable to prove they were settled at the time of their birth. The 3 million group, signifying European Union nationals, mentioned the rule showed Priti Patel had botched to learn from the reconsideration into the Windrush scandal, in spite of having decided to implement its recommendations. From January 2021, European Union citizens will become part of the current hostile rule that has seen fathers separated from their children and families returned to countries they barely know. The UK Home Secretary assured that she will execute the recommendations of the Windrush Review. There has been no proof of this. The new risk revives criticism from ex-Immigration Minister Brandon Lewis, when he cautioned deportation could go ahead before European Union citizens could confront a ruling that they had no right to stay. This rule was exposed in post-Brexit immigration plans, which will beef up the obligation that those already in the UK who are penalised to 12 months or more in prison must be considered for deportation. The United Kingdom Home Office document clearly states that where the 12-month law-breaking deportation limit is not met, a foreign offender will still be considered for deportation, where it is helpful to the public good, including where they have acute or continuing law-breaking. Furthermore, for European Union citizens who are sheltered by the Withdrawal Agreement or the UK's domestic application of the withdrawal agreements, the harsher UK law-breaking limits will apply to conduct committed after the end of the transition period. The UK Home Office stated, Brexit would mean a vigorous and reliable approach to applying the UK law-breaking thresholds rules, considering European Union citizens in the same way as arrivals from elsewhere. Our video ends here today. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to our channels. You can also comment below if you have any queries regarding your UK visa.